how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the apps manager and open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find TikTok and click on it, and then click on this force stop option, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click delete. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into TikTok and remove it from your phone by clicking on this uninstall option, and then re-download it in the Play Store. And the third solution and last one is you have to try to create the account with a different email. That's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.